Good morning, dear children. Today being a holiday, I know you are all busy with your other activities. But today is a special day, International Yoga Day. Yoga is a physical, mental, spiritual practice which originated in India. Since 21st June 2015, International Day of Yoga has been an annual global celebration with an aim to bring out awareness about health benefits of yoga and its various practices. It embodies the unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature. A holistic approach to health and well-being. It's not about exercise, but discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and nature. This year will mark the sixth edition of International Yoga Day and in light on the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The theme this year is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. This year, the focus will be on practicing yoga at home with one's family. So let's work towards adopting an International Yoga Day. Thank you.
Dear students, hope you are in safe. Today, International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st every year. This day was internationally recognized by United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 2014. The idea of an International Yoga Day was proposed by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 27 September 2014. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on June 21st, 2015. June 21st is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and has special significance in many parts of the world. We hear the word yoga from everyone and everywhere, but unfortunately, most of us do not really know what yoga is. The term yoga has its verbal root as yuj in Sanskrit. Yuj means joining. In the traditional terminology, it is the joining of individual self Jivatma with universal self Paramatma. About 300 AD, sage Patanjali wrote a traditional text on yoga, which is popularly known as Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. This is the first theoretical test on yoga. What is yoga? Yoga is neither an exercise nor a therapy but a way of life through which the mind, body, and spirit can be purified and strengthened. In other words, yoga is a mental, physical, intellectual, and spiritual science. According to Patanjali, yoga chitta vritti nirodha means by so controlling the mind, we reach our ordinary stage. Or, yoga is a conscious process of gaining mastery over the mind. Good health is the greatest asset. Everyone desires good health and happiness in their life. By practicing yogic asanas with pranayama is an effective tool to maintain good health. We are witnessing hatred, jealousy, discrimination, injustice, and many other unpleasant events in many parts of the world. No scientific research or medical advancement is able to resist such unpleasant events. But our people have to become aware of the importance of yoga and it should be adopted in their life in order to eradicate such unpleasant events. In the present living situations, mental agitation, anxiety, and depression are quite common. Everyone wants to mental peace and satisfaction in their life. Yogic practices gives both physical and mental perfection. What are the points to remember before starting yoga? Select calm and quiet place to do asanas. The place should be clean and away from outward disturbances. Never do asanas immediately after food. At least in interval of 3.5 hours after heavy food and 1.5 hours after ordinary food. The best time to do asana is early morning. The girls should not do asanas during menstrual period. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it is stated that Yuva Vruddho Adivruddhopa Durbalo Vyadito Viva Abhisal Siddhi Maknoti Sarva Yogesha Tamrita. That means the young, the old, and the very old, weak, and the persons who are suffering from any kind of diseases can practice yoga, and the results of yoga can be achieved by them. According to the report of World Health Organization, the regular practice of yoga with pranayama strengthens the immune system. So, my dear students, make yoga a part of your life and stay away from overacting. Do yoga at your home and do yoga with your family. Thank you, children.
Dear teachers and friends, I am Mahadev Hadi from 7th B. I am very much proud and happy to address you today. We all are facing an unconditional situation now. This situation gives most of the public physically tiredness and totally confused. We can become more energetic by the way of spiritual calmness. Here's the importance of today, highlighting the above problems. Today, June 21st, is known as the Yoga Day. Yoga is promoted to 84 countries of the United Nations. Ayurveda, Vastu Shastra and Yoga are the three precious gems from India to the world. Would you know who was the founder of yoga? And can you guess how old it is? Rishi Patanjali was the founder, and it is a 5,000-year-old philosophic tradition. How yoga become precious exercise for humans? Any idea? It is the only exercise that gives mental, physical and spiritual relaxation. This exercise doesn't need any age bars. Why do we select June 21st as the Yoga Day? It is the special day in 365 days. It is the longest day in a year. It is the day we will get the maximum time with sun. Yoga implementing a culture of discipline. Let us all practice it for our own health. I hope all of you get a small awareness about yoga from my little speech. Yoga samasta sukhina bhavantu. Thanks for listening to my speech.
Now we can go through the different yogic asanas. On the platform we have Rudra Sajid, 6th standard student of Gokulam. Meditation.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manamsi janata deva bhagam yatha purve samjananam upasate സംജാനാനാം ഉപാസതേ.
പ്രാണായാമ.
യോഗേന ചിത്തസ്യ പദേന വാചാ മലം ശരീരസ്യ ച വൈദ്യകേന യോപാകരോത്തം പ്രവരം മുനീനാം പതഞ്ജലിം പ്രാഞ്ജലിം രാനതോസ്മി.
താടാസന. വൃക്ഷാസന. അർദ്ധകടി ചക്രാസന. ഉഷ്ട്രാസന. വക്രാസന. വിപരീത നൗകാസന. ഊർധ്വപ്രസരിത പാദാസന. സ്കന്ദരാസന. ഭുജംഗാസന. ശലഭാസന. നൗകാസന. സൂര്യ നമസ്കാരം.
ഹിരണ്മയേന പാത്രേണ സത്യസ്യാപിഹിതം മുഖം തത്വം പൂഷണ്ണപാവൃണോ സത്യധർമായ ദൃഷ്ടയേ. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.
Dear students, as I told you, yoga is for the well-being of all our system, body, mind and spirit. Hope you enjoyed this session and practice yoga at home, yoga with family. Thank you, children.